Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 70, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, you want to pull down your toggles, so just to swipe down, do so once again to extend the list of toggles, and in here you should see somewhere Do Not Disturb. For me it is right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can hold it. This is what I would recommend doing for the first time. So once you hold it, it takes you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So right at the top we have the toggle on, then we have the schedule, which you can create multiple by selecting add, and then we have also allow interruptions from calls and messages. So you can select who can call you or message you, with an addition for calls, having this little switch right here for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, that will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So if you have a really infuriating telemarketer who really wants to get a hold of you, he could technically call you twice within a 15-minute period and then bypass this. So keep that in mind. And now once you set up the settings right here to fit your needs, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back here again. And whenever you want to turn on your Do Not Disturb mode manually, at just like random occasions, you can just simply tap on it and select enable, and that's it. It's now enabled. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding it again, tapping on it, and now it's off. You do want to also remember about turning it off, otherwise it will be running permanently in the background, as long as you're not using the schedule. If you're using schedule, the phone will turn it on and off for you, so you don't have to do anything. And all you would do is just toggle it on from here. So right now it's basically a weekend schedule, so it will turn on Do Not Disturb mode at night on Saturday and Sunday, and that's it. And throughout the week it will not be turning on and off anything. So there we go. Obviously you can change this if you want to, or create a new one like I mentioned. But with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.